How to adjust saturation and hue in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and select an image from your gallery, or tap the camera icon at the top right to capture a new one. Once your image opens in the editing workspace, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on the Adjust option. Inside the Adjust menu, you will find sliders for different settings, including saturation and hue. To change the saturation, move the slider left to reduce color intensity for a more muted look, or right to increase the vibrancy and make colors pop. Next, adjust the hue slider to shift the overall colors of your image. Sliding it left or right will change the color tones, giving your photo a unique style. Take your time to fine-tune these settings until you achieve the look you want. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, tap the check mark to apply the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust saturation and hue in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.